Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to review the free plan of Dsers. So we are going to create our account based on the free plan, but before that let's take a look at the pricing that they have. So here I am at dsers.com and I'm going to go to the pricing section. Once we click on it, we'll be able to see on all of the plan that they have. So they have the enterprise plan, the pro plan, the advanced plan, and then we got the basic or the free one. And if you would like to know all of the features that you'll be able to get with the basic or the free one, you can just scroll down here and you will find a bunch of benefits that you can get. So first we got the process order in bulk. We can do that with the basic or the free one, and then we also got the 24/7 customer support, and for the tracking we are not going to get that. And then we can also get the tracking number, automated updates. We got it with the maximum of 7 days. And then for the TikTok hot product research, we got the top 61% to 100%. Then we got the product language. You'll be able to select just one product language. Meanwhile, with the enterprise one, you can select up to 6. And then you can also get the product limit. So for the basic or the free one, you can only put 3,000 per account. As for the store limit, you can add up to 3 accounts. 1 account for the PayPal limit, and then for the supplier app accounts limit, you also will get 1 account. And there are also some other things that you can get even with the free plan. So you can feel free to go to dsers.com/pricing to read even more. And now we're just going to go ahead and get started. So here you'll be able to start by entering your email as well as your password. And then you will get this notification that says that you will get the Dsers tutorial if you complete it and the certain amount of minutes. I'm just going to ignore this for now. Next, you can select on the platform you will want to access with Dsers. So they got Shopify, Wix.com, WooCommerce, Jump Seller, Cat Panda, LPQV, we got TikTok US, and then the TikTok one, regular TikTok one, we got BigCommerce, Equid, Squarespace. And if you don't have any platform that you're using available here, you can also just upload your CSV file. But for today, I'm going to try to connect my Dser to my Wix.com. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Wix.com. And if you change your mind, you don't have to go back to this page. You can just change it through here and choose on the one you want to connect. But I'm going to go ahead and click on install here. Then we're going to want to connect the website that we've chosen, and I have several Wix websites. I'm just going to be using this ones right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on select. Then they're going to tell you all of the things that Dsers are going to be able to do with your website. First of all, they'll be able to manage stores, and then they can read basic sites and business info. They can manage product, manage e-commerce data, manage orders, and then read your email address. If you need further information, you can always click on these I symbol and you can just read it out if you want to. I'm fine with everything, so I'm going to go ahead and click agree and add. Next, you're going to want to link to your supplier, and here I got AliExpress, and it's going to show me, and it's going to give me some instructions. So in order to bind AliExpress, we need to click the card here. But if you don't have AliExpress, you can just click the red text right here. I already have mine, so I'm going to go ahead and click here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on login. Alright, so I have authorized my supplier, and then you will get this pop-up notification to show you some things. I'm just going to go ahead and close it. But in case you will want to try the 14 days free trial for each plan, you can just go ahead and click here. But we're not going to do that today, so I'm going to close this for now. And if you remember, I've read some of the benefits that you'll be able to get even with the free plan. So the first one is the product research. The downside of this one is just that the product that they are going to recommend to us is the one within the top 61% to 100%. Meanwhile, with other plan, you'll be able to get higher rating, which means that that product is probably going to do better than the one that we got with the free plan. But anyway, you can still use these features right here. So if you want to be more specific, you can go ahead and click on the filter ads, but you will not be able to click on any other percentage section because it's going to show you this pop-up notification to remind you that you will need to upgrade your plan in order to enjoy this benefit. And then remember that we can only select one language for our product. So this one is the language for our DSer, but just to remind you, if you want to, let's say, get a product from other places, from other locations than the one that you have chosen, you will not be able to do so without upgrading your account. And you can also use the supplier optimizers right here. You can just enter a URL link in order to help you to search for a certain product that you want. So on the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see a bunch of menu, and if the menu is in this gray color, it means that you are not able to access this menu because you will need to upgrade your account. So for example, I go to the tracking status right here. So I'm going to go back here and then I go to the tracking status, and it's going to again give me this notification to upgrade my plan. And if I close it, I will be able to still see the overall of this part of the menu, but it's going to say tracking is a paid feature, so please upgrade your plan to activate it. Activate tracking to trace the tracking status of orders that have been shipped. And you can also go to any other part right here, but again, they're not available for the free plan. But overall, you can go ahead and try to find your suppliers with the free plan, and then you can use the supplier optimizer, and you can also use the product research if you need to, but they will have some restriction on, or they do have some limits to it. So those are the review of the Dsers free plan. As you can see, we can still enjoy some of the features and some of the benefits, but there are some restrictions that we will get. So if you would like to upgrade your plan, you can simply click on this I'm in options, or you can also go to the manage subscription in order to choose the plan that you will want to use in case you don't want to use the free plans anymore. And that's basically it. That is the Dsers free plan. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.